शतकोटि गोपी माधव मान राखिते नारी ना करी जाता
You should be a bhakt like that. What Bhakti Vinod Thakur is trained in his gun. You should give me a place. Can you explain the meaning? Standing up.
In this song, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, Shatakoti Gopi Madhava Man. So many millions of gopis are trying to pacify Madhava's mind, but they cannot. And then the flute song calls the name of Radhika.
Oh, okay. You should sit down. You. You cannot. Very deep meaning. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, one of the Sargoswami, high class of
Gyanatimanandasya Gyanandanasalakya Chakshurunmilitam dena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Srila Gurudev ordered me to explain briefly this kirtan.
You remember the kirtan?
Yes. To explain this kirtan of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. This kirtan is in two parts. This was part 2. Part 1 we heard yesterday. There's described that in the forest of Vrindavan, very beautiful. All the flowers, Beli, Chameli, Jui, Madhavi, Malika, lotus flowers, they're all blooming. There's a very sweet fragrance in the air. Bumblebees are humming, cuckoo birds are singing. And on the night, in the spring season, Vasantik Rasa, in spring season, Krishna has come to perform Rasa Lila, to relish transcendental prem with all gopis of Vrindavan. But Radhika, seeing Krishna with another, she became inman and she left that place. When Radhika left, then Krishna cannot feel satisfied. This is where this song begins. Shatakoti gopi madhava man rakite narilo korijatan. Shatakoti gopi, hundreds of millions of gopis. They are trying to give happiness, to pacify the heart of Madhav. But whatever they do, he's not satisfied. Why? Because Radhika is not there. Venu gite dake Radhika nam. He plays upon his flute, and the flute is calling, Esho Esho Radhe Daka Esham. Radhika, come, come. But she will not return to that place. So, at that time, Bangiya Sira Samandalatabe, Radhe and Veshani Chale Jabe. The Raslila dancing was going, but it was all stopped because Radhika was not there. And Krishna alone, he went wandering, searching here and there. Where is Vrishabhanu Nandini? It is said that you cannot see a hurricane. Wind you cannot see with your eyes. But what can you see? You can see the devastation that it causes. You can see the trees being uprooted and houses being taken into the air. So in the same way, by our eyes, we cannot see prem. But we can see the devastation that this prem causes in the heart of Krishna when he's in separation from Radhika. So even though so many have love for Krishna, but he left them for Radhika. Someone may say that Radhika has more love than any gopi. But this idea is not fully correct. Radhika has more love than all gopis, everyone put together. Therefore, leaving all, Krishna was wandering here and there. He said, crying, Dekha diya Radhe rakho pran, bolya kandane kanane kan. This is like a Bengali paraphrase of Gita Govinda, Vasantik Ras in Gita Govinda. There, Krishna is saying, he said, Mamiyam chalita bilokya Britam badhu nichayena Sapradhataya mayapi navaritati bayena Hari Hari hatararataya gatasa kupiteva Mamiyam chalita bilokya. Hari Hari, oh God, what have I done? Hari Hari, alas, what have I done? I committed offense to Radhika and now she has left me. And so here in this kirtan, Krishna is playing Dekha diya Radhe, give me your darshan and save my life. As Krishna has prayed also in Gita Govinda. Shamyatam aparam kadapi tavedrisham nakaromi Dehi sundari darshanam mama Dehi sundari darshanam mama Manmatena dunomi. Oh Radhika, please. Oh beautiful one, give me your darshan again. I will never commit the same mistake. Because now I am suffering from the very terrible arrows of Kamdev in your absence. So then Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he said that Nirjana Kanani Radha Dori Juriya Parana Milya Hari. Hari, in a very solitary place, in a very secret place, alone, the good fortune came to him that he met again with Radhika and embraced her in his arms. At that time, Krishna said to Radhika, Bole tuhu bina kahara ras, tuhale gimor barajavas. Oh Radhe, without you, where is Ras? There's no Ras Lila without you. Oh, for you, tuhale gimor barajavas, I stay here in Braja, to be with you, to have your association and service. So Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur finally, he's praying that Ei heino Radhika charnatale Bhakati Vinoda Kandya Bale. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, weeping and weeping, said, oh, alas, alas, how glorious Radhika is. That very Radhika. I am praying to her. To her Ganamaje. You please kindly accept me in your Gan, in the group of your maidservants. King Kori Korea, Rakho Pani. Accept me as your Palyadasi, your maidservant, and always keep me at the shelter of your fragrant reddish lotus feet.
Very good. Manjari, you should go on.
Manasade hoge ho jo kichmo arpilu tuapade Nanda Kishore.
ideal Atma Samarpan in full away Manasa, Deha, Geha and other things that I possess. Arpino Tuhapade. I am offering in your lotus feet. Now you are my Guru, my Pati, husband, my everything. I have collected all my love and affection, attachment from worldly things, father, mother, wife, sister, husband, and I am giving in your lotus feet. Where you will manage that I should take Janma, but I should be there where? In the house of devotees, pure devotees. Brahma Janma nahi aaj. I don't want to be Brahma or in Brahman cult. Even not Brahma even. So, if Saranagati is there like this, oh, his prarthana Krishna may hear, otherwise not. He will neglect. So, Krishna came. He came in the shape of Ram. He came in the form of Nrsimhadev, especially in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu form. And by his own life, they showed all these things. So, if you want to be really pure devotee, then follow Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur as he said. Now Krishna Das, Radha Kunda Tata Kunja Kutira. These songs are ideal. As Puja Gan Koto, Eita Gan Koto.
কি বলছেন রাধা কুণ্ড তট কুঞ্জ কুটির গোবর্ধন পর্বত যমুনা তীর জয় রাধে জয় কৃষ্ণ জয় রাধে জয় কৃষ্ণ জয় রাধে জয় কৃষ্ণ জয় রাধে জয় কৃষ্ণ.
Today you are here in Vrindavan, Radha Kund, Shyam Kund, Giriraj, Govardhan, Bansi, but all places. Peacock dancing, cuckoo singing, bumblebees, oh, clouds like Krishna, all flowers of all autumns, all seasons are in so this is Vrindavan. A devotee creates a situation like this and he lives in Vrindavan. So you can do also like this. Always be situated in this Vrindavan. Very pleasant. Try to forget all things. These are called Uddipan. Uddipan means? Stimulation. So this is called bhajan. I have come to remind you that you should be like this. Wherever you can be, but be like this. Remember all these things. Also for Janvat and what he explained. You should remember all these things. Only rush and rush is there. Ocean of rush is there. For this I came. Forget all these things. Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjan Salakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Vancha Kalpatarubhyasya Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Tadare Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadabhaktaya Namo Tavai Vasmi Najimani Prabhina Iti Vidyaya Radhe Tangnay Mamacharna. My millions of heart-touching Dandat Pranam in the lotus feet of my Paramaradhyatam Guru Pad Padma Om Vishnu Pasismad Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami, and also in the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru Om Vishnu Pad Sri Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. I told yesterday, Tasmat Gurung Prapadyeta. Jigyasu se uttamam sadde paraicha nishanatam brahmanyu samasana. Tatra bhagavatan dharman shikshet guru atma daivata ambayanusitya je tusyed atma dohari. The root of the bhajan, the backbone of bhajan is Guru Nishtha. Without Guru Nishtha and Atma Samarpan, fully to unconditional surrender to Guru, oh, you cannot begin your bhakti. Never and never. So, there are two kinds of Guru. Diksha Guru and Shiksha. If Diksha Guru has given you all Shiksha, beginning to end, what is bhajan? What is your aim and object? Everything. Be satisfied. But anyhow, he could not complete, then Shiksha Guru must need it. But he should be equal rank to Gurudev. But very rare. At the time of Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, who was equal in ISKCON, any was? No one. Then what to do for them? Or to young elder God brothers. So, here Krishna is telling to Uddhav in 11th canto, Krishna himself, that Sant me Guruvo Rajan बहुवो बुद्धपाश्रिता यतो बुद्धिम उपादाय मुक्तो अटामी हताम शृणु. Diksha, if you are done, accepted Diksha Guru, and if something is lacking, it may be that you took Diksha and after Gurudev disappeared. Or he has so many disciples. He told that you can accept him like Shiksha. So, we take Shiksha Guru. Shiksha Guru also of two kinds. He will tell. Here, once a Dattatreya, he is told to be a what? No. Avatar somewhat. Saptavish avatar, Dattatreya. He used to travel without anything, naked. Here, there. Where he is going, he himself does that. So, but he was always happy. I told you yesterday. Sometimes going and laughing himself. Sometimes rolling down. Sometimes weeping bitterly and rolling down on the earth. His movement like anyone has been caught by ghost. This way he was. One day, Vasudev Maharaj or who? Jadu Maharaj met him. And then he asked, oh, I cannot understand your moods. Why weeping? Why laughing? Why rolling down? Why you are doing? And you are very much happy. Very, very happy. Why can I see? And did pranam and asked. Tad viddhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadechante jnana jnanina tattvadarshina. Go to tattvadarshi. Tattvadarshi means he knows everything. He can remove all your doubts. Go to Tattvadarshi, who has realized something, and then do pranam and surrender and serve and please him. And then pray something, ask you. If I am qualified, please answer. In this way, not in challenging mode. So Jadu did like so, and he asked, oh, you are very happy. I cannot understand your mood. So please tell me why you are traveling, and why you are happy, why you are laughing and weeping. Then he told, oh, I have done so many gurus, and from them I have received so many instructions, and I follow. I have 24 gurus, Shiksha Guru. Prithvi, earth, Vayu, air, water, fire, moon, sun, pigeon, python, Python, okay? Oh, ocean. Little bird, like that is called patanga. Huh? Sometimes like ants, when they have some wings. Madhukar, bumblebees. Elephant. Oh, those who go to forest and take madhu from honey collectors in forest. Deers. Oh, fishes. A pingla prostitute, pingla. Kubar pakshi. Oh, a arvak means balak. One very baby of 1 year or half year or like that. Kumari, young girl, not married. Married was to be done. Those who make arrows. Then snakes. You know makadi? A spider. And peshkrit, a very strong insect who caught any carpenter. Yes. He catches of any insect and keeps in his, and by his fear he becomes like him. From them, what are these things? In Srimad Bhagavatam, 10 it has been given. So, Shiksha, instructions are of 3 kinds. Those who are actually sadhu, guru, Mahabhagavat, Vaishnava, by hearing their teachings, this is one kind. We should hear the teachings of Guru Vaishnava. Learn something from their character, how they do, how they sleep, how they do bhajan, how their behavior to others. You should learn all this. And something by your own intelligence, what you are seeing here and there, you can learn something. Here he is telling what he saw from nature, from water and everything. He took by his own intelligence something for bhajan. And we should also. We are very fortunate that anyhow you have taken birth in any devotee's family. If not, no harm. But sadhu sangha, especially guru, and so many things. Also, Krishna has given intelligence. You are hearing Harikatha from so many. But you will have to hear. What is the meaning of hear? Once any Avadhut came in the council of Vikramaditya, and he challenged that anyone should give me answer. He has a skull, human skull. And he kept on the table and Who can tell that he was very intelligent or he was so foolish? Then anyone could not answer. Oh, I have wasted my time. Why I came to this council? So many, all are foolish. But King Vikramaditya, he told, oh, my one counselor is coming just now. He may answer. Don't be angry. And in the meantime, Kalidas, very intelligent, he came. And he again put that question. And he took a like coconut dandy or anything. Yes, straw from it. And he gave here. And it came from here. Oh, he was foolish. So don't be foolish. Hearing here, going out. Be intelligent. If that will not go there and it will come here, then intelligent. So you should try to be intelligent. Now he is telling from where he has taken. What? Shiksha. Prithvi. From earth. Dhairya. Patience. Tolerance. And Sumata Dridhata. Determination. And Kshama. Forgiveness. How? You can dig anything, anywhere. You can make a stool, urine anywhere. You can dig something, earth, and make houses and so many things. You can do anything you like. But always see. Can you do? Like yesterday I told, anyone beating you is doing so many nonsense things to you, but tolerate. And Kshama, forgiveness. This is the very extraordinary quality of a pure Vaishnava. If I am doing anything, nonsense, but he comes and forgiveness he wants. At once he said. I have seen in my Guru Parampara this. So he should be like that. Oh, in earth there are so many mountains. Oh, we should learn something for upakar. Benefit for others. And also from trees. Parvat, a mountain, gives so many trees, so many herbs, water, so many things. But not for him. For others. Your life should be for others. You should be tolerant like vriksha, tree. First, what are the quality in vriksha, tree? His bark, his root, his leaves, his fruits, flowers, dry wood, everything is for others. Not anything. He never, if there is summer, no rain, nothing, and he is going to dry, even he will not tell, oh, give me water. So Chaitanya Charitamrita had been told, you should be like that tree. And as mountains lives very loneliness, Nirjan Bar, only sadhu sang. And that mountains in India, in Himalayas, in Vindhyachal, here and in Govardhan, so many sadhus used to live. Because very silent and very favorable for bhajan. Now, air. What is the quality of air? For others. For others. If no air, we cannot survive a moment even. But she is always unasked, no detachment. She can take the fragrance and bad fragrance from here, there, bad and good. But after some time she gives up. So we should be detachment like air. And we should try to be like वायु निकट अनासक्त भावे प्राण धारण करवार शिक्षा लाभ करिया छी। अनासक्त रूप में प्राण धारण करने की शिक्षा लाभ किया है। क्या हुआ? Don't be attached. Anyone. Attachment you should reserve for whom? Guru and, but not bogus Guru. Otherwise he tell, oh, we should marry. Nowadays, going on so. So not attachment to unqualified Guru, qualified Guru. That he can take your heart and give it to Radha Krishna. Then Akash, sky. Sky is everywhere, in our heart also, in our body also, everywhere. Empty place is called Akash, sky. Or Sangha, he is everywhere, but always detached from everything. You should be like that. Jal, water, purity, snigdhata. What is it? Snigdha. If you take bath, your body will be snigdha, refreshed like, and it will be pure. To be like water, pavitra, pure. Agni. Agni can, fire can burns. Fire can burn stool or good fragrance. Oh, so many, after death, our body is given to fire. But fire is always pure. So we should be like that. Always pure. Why to be pure? To do bhajan. And by bhajan it can be, purity can become. Otherwise no. Anyone cannot be pure without bhajan. What songs we do. By this purity will come. Not by jog, tapasya and others. Only if you are remembering Krishna, his sweet pastimes, any Vaishnava, like Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, Sarup Damodar, Radhamana, oh, purification will come. Chara, moon. We see first, second moon, third moon, fourth moon, fifth, up to 15. Full moon. So, This is not true. There are not so many moons. Moon is one. If you go of very high in this, then you see that a full moon is always. It is covered with earth, and so gradually it seems 15 moons, but not 16. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. So, Atma has no janma, no birth, no death, nothing. But it seems that it has taken birth, but never. Like sun, he enumerates in everywhere, in so many various suns. This pond, that pond, here, there, but only one sun. So, Atma always like one, not so many. Like sun, I told, and various places, it thinks that, oh, sun is so many, but sun is one. So, Atma means here, Paramatma is not so many, but Jivas are so many. Achha, one kirtan. Who will do? Huh? Sudarshan? You sing. Where is Sudarshan? Oh. Where is Sudarshan? Come very soon. But I should finish this also. Sudarshan. And taking unayas, without any order. Oh, anything coming, he will do. He will not go here and there. So what you are obtaining something by your previous karma, you will be always satisfied by that. Not more and die. Not like that. Dharya and santosh, tolerance. Oh, he is very angry, hungry, but nothing is there. Oh, he was sad. He is sad. Oh, it may be that 1 month he could not have. Oh, he will not go here and then, not attacking. But if anyone come, oh, he will take easy and he will be satisfied. So, you should try to be like that. Anything coming without so much effort, and it is bound to come, must come. As suffering comes, this will also. Na tat prayaso kartabyo, jata ayu baya par. Oh, your maintenance of life must be according to your past activities. So you should be satisfied. All minds happy. Like ocean, always happy. How you know happy? Oh, by coming tides and garjan. Garjan means roaring, very happy. He is laughing like that. But he is very deep, gambhir, Compliment? Deep. Grave. Very good. You should be like Oscar. Not if ant bite you and you are, no, ant has beaten me. Ant has beaten me. Don't beat in drum. Beat all it. Oh, Patanga. Huh? Having two new wings. Especially in India, I have seen, in rainy season, if there is light, fire anywhere, at once they fly, and they think that it is to be eaten, and goes and bites. So you should be careful that Istri means here ladies, and for ladies, men, both. Don't go to fire. Always be careful. Then if you go, it means your intelligence has been finished and you will die. Madhukar. Madhukar means honey bee. What he does? He goes to each and very little essence he takes. But he does not collect, this is the thing. If he collects, then he will be like Madhumakshika, honey collector. If you are like honeybees collecting something so much, then any hunter will come and take you in his claws and his nest. Very dangerous. So you should not collect so many things. Because at the death, what will be? Nothing will be. But in the meantime, if Descartes had known that you have so much wealth here today, you have brought $1 lakh today in India, at once so many Descartes will go and kill you with your whole family and take. So, be like Brahmar, bees, collect, very few. Like Madhukari Bhiksha, Madhukari, like this Madhukari, Madhukar Vritti. In India, I have heard that some female elephants are sent in forest. Big well is there, covered with grasses, big grasses and branches of trees, covered totally. And she brings any male elephant and pushes. He is controlled by that lady elephant. And thus, he goes down in the well, and after so many days fasting, no water, nothing, then he becomes so, and then same elephant lady goes inside and gives some shankle, chain in his body. No. And then takes it out. And he is given to this, then trained, and then it is sold. Very costly. So, be careful for lady. And ladies should also be each other. Not it is a joke. At that time you can be dog-like and no sense at that time. If a hunter with fruit goes to forest and he keeps any danda stick not so much deep, very deep, and when he play on foot, so many deers comes to hear song, and they give some balance on that stick falls down, and at once he falls down, and very soon he catches them and feed them and take them meat. So he is telling that Gramya Geet, don't hear Gramya Geet, songs, especially Mahaprabhu told, no. He heard any voice from any ladies, very sweet, the song of Git Govind, and he ran away. Anyhow, Govind told, oh Prabhu, ladies singing. And then he told, oh, today if I had not accepted me, I would have gone to the ocean and fishes. In catching fish, stick, they give iron hooks, and upon that something, meat or anything, Kechua, and they fell in the ocean or river, and by the greed of Jiva, at once they saw. And then, so try to control your tongue. Don't go towards so much rush. Rush means don't be. Anyhow, maintain. Like Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, he never wanted salt even. What to tell others? So many persons, they took very rich food. Especially sannyasis should not take so much food. Very limit, and also one is boiled and like this. Otherwise, if he will be very healthy, then what will be? At once material desire will come, lust will come. Be very careful. Not only for male, be well, female, both. Like a very small baby. He lives naked, sometimes sloughs, sometimes weep. Only mother takes care. He like Paramahansa. Paramahansa, you know? What is Paramahansa? What is Paramahansa? Like Nityananda Prabhu. Sometimes he took his whole clothes and here and gave it to mother. Oh. And then he naked came in the courtyard of Sachima. Then Mahaprabhu worshipping, at once he gave his chadar to. So Nityananda Avadhut. And because he is Avadhut, for him marriage and not marriage nothing. We cannot follow their characters. Don't. And don't criticize also. As the boy is playing himself, taking some toy, giving sometimes mouth, sometimes taking his toe in his mouth, and so many things. So be like a boy. There was a young lady who was not married, but one day she was in her home and there was nothing to cook. Only dhan was there, paddy was there, but not rice. His father and mother were somewhere else. And in the meantime, from other village, some gentleman came to see her for his son. Understand? But father was not there. Anyhow, she told to them to wait a little, see. But no rice, what to do? Then he was husking paddy for rice. But she had so many bangles. They were making sound. Oh, she was thinking that if this sound goes to them, then they will think that she is very poor. Then they will not. They will select. They will never select. She was very intelligent. She took one bangle, and then second, then third. So many were kept only one, and then no sound, and then. So what he learnt here? Janasanga tyag. Janasanga tyag or Dvaita tyag. Dvait means anything rather than Krishna bhakti. This Dvait and Janasanga. If father, mother, even Mayavadi or anyone, don't associate with them. You can honor by serving by other means, but don't Hari Katha to them. There was a बाण के की बोले arrow maker, iron smith, blacksmith. He was making arrow. He was so observed that a marriage party with very drums and singing and dancing, they passed through, but he never knew. Anyone told, oh, very beautiful marriage party was going. Oh, when? I never saw. To be observed like this. What is going on here and there? Observed in Krishna Bhakti. Nam. At that time, better to do Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. Not any word or anything will come to you. Oh, snake. He lives alone. He walks, travels alone. And no house. Where he lives, where rats make hole or any others, oh, they lives there. Pramada Sunna, always very careful. You are going and they are far distance. Oh, anyhow, by eyes, vibration, they will know and they will be alone. Oh, like this, all this. So be alert. Makarsa, spider, from their own mouth, they make, and in the last they take it out in their body. So Krishna, not Krishna here, but Paramatma or anyone, creates world and again he takes. Mahavishnu. Huh?
How is he like a guru?
Oh, as he makes out something and makes a trap. And anyone, any flies or anything, they come and they are entangled to them, and then he takes. And when no need, then all things he takes inside. So, Bhagavan or Krishna or anyone creates this world from himself by Maya, and again everything goes. राग द्वारा ईश्वर आराधन सहज है. By rag, like Peskrit, Tatkumarika kit, one worm. What becomes? Sitting.
In Srimad Bhagavatam there is stated, Kisha Pesa Skrita Rudha Kudyayam Tanmanusmaram Vindate Tat Sarupatat Samramba Yoga Bhayena, that there is one wasp and he wants to eat a small worm. So this worm is trapped in a hole and the wasp is at the entrance to the hole and he wants to eat it but he cannot go inside. So the small worm is inside and all he can see is this big creature who wants to eat him, and he is making a very terrible vibration, humming sound. So that time, that small worm, Telkata, is terrified and completely absorbed in that wasp. What happens? Gradually by being absorbed, he transforms and he also becomes a wasp, the same. And then he can fly away. So this is the example of rag, that by attachment, by absorption, yam yam vapismaram bhavam chajachanti kalevaram tamtamika vaiti kuntaya satatad bhava bhavitaha. Whatever bhav, whatever mood you have at the time of your death, you'll become like that. So Rupa Goswami gave the instruction, Krishnam smaram janam chasya prashtamni jasamihitam. Always be absorbed in remembering an associate of Krishna, and in this way, gradually, remembering them with rag, intense attachment, one will also become an associate of Shri Krishna.
Now, he is doing conclusion. Sansara sindhum ati dustaram utatirjo nanya plava bhagavata purushottamasya lila katha rasa nishivan antarena punsam bhaved vivid dukh davartisasya. Oh, all the jivas are suffering here in many ways. And to cross unlimited this Bhavasagar, birth and death, endless, very what? Duranta. Very difficult. Those who want to cross it very easily, they should hear Hari Katha only. No other work. Nothing. So we should hear always sweet pastimes of Krishna, Mahaprabhu. Also, the Leela Charitra of Bhagavat, like Prahlad Maharaj and others. Today, we are finished. Gaur Premanand.